Welcome to another preview video of GNI Software's Exciton Boost. In this, we will create some additional information using only DominoDB on the client. We added a rich text field to their sample database, and it's just blank on all the documents. We load Proton. Actually, we could have loaded it when the server started, but I want you to see that because Exciton Boost is an extension manager, it loads when Proton loads. And now we're going to run our sample using Node.js. This uses JavaScript, LotusScript, and formula language, and it's fairly simple. I obscured a little bit just for the moment. And you'll see that we have created the bio field with some rich text, with doc links and so forth, pulling data from other documents and pulling data from the discussion sample, which is also part of that database. Thank you.